Good morning, children. Welcome to our EVS lecture. And today, once again, we will do the revision of lesson number 3. Okay? And especially, we will do the revision of the question answer. So, children, it is very compulsory to write the question answers and give reason in your paper. Don't skip that. Okay? So, let's start the revision from question number 1. List any two features of a good house. List any two features of a good house. Answer is a good house has doors and windows that allows fresh air and sunlight to enter the room. A good house has doors and windows that allows fresh air and sunlight to enter the room. A house must have good ventilation. A house must have good ventilations. Okay? Now question number 2. How did early human live? How did early human live? Early human lived in caves and forest. Early human lived in caves and forest. Question number 3. What is ventilation? What is ventilation? ventilation. Ventilation. The process by which still and warm air goes out of the house to be replaced by fresh, cool air is called ventilation. Okay? What is the meaning of stale? S-T-A-L-E. Stale means dirty. Dirty smell. Okay? Air. It goes out and fresh air comes in. So the process by which stale and warm air goes out of the house to be replaced by fresh, cool air is called ventilation. Children, you all have to write all the question answer which I have asked in your exams paper. Okay? आपको सबके question answers और गिव रीजन्स लिखने के हैं. कोई छोड़ेगा नहीं. Okay? Learn it properly and write. 4th number. How was the life of early human different from Earth? How was the life of early humans different from yours? The early human lived in caves and forest. Early human कहाँ रहते थे? Caves and forest में. And what they eat? They ate fruits, roots of trees and hunted animal for food. वहाँ पर जंगल में वो लोग फ्रूट्स खाते थे. ट्रीज की जो रूट्स होती है वो खाएंगे. एंड हंटेड एनिमल, जो एनिमल मर जाते हैं या मार डालते हैं उसको वो लोग खाते थे. ओके? सो रिपीट दिस आंसर. द अर्ली ह्यूमन्स lived in caves and forest. They ate fruits, roots of trees, and hunted animals for food. Okay? Now we revise, give reasons. Ample sunlight should enter a room. Ample sunlight should enter room. रूम के अंदर बहुत सारे सनलाइट एंटर करना ज़रूरी है. Why? Because the rays of sunlight, because the rays of sun kills germs and the sun helps to keep our house free of germs. Okay? Second number, wire knitting should be put on doors and windows. Answer is to stop flies, insects and mosquitoes from coming in. To stop flies, insects and mosquitoes from coming in. Okay? So here we do the revision of lesson number 3. Now we do the revision of lesson number 4. What is the telephone number of police station? Answer is 100. Second number, what is the telephone number of ambulance? Answer is 102 and 108. Third one, who sells medicines? Answer is chemist. Don't say chemist, okay? क्या बोलने का है? Chemist. CHEMIST. Okay? Yes. From where we buy pens and pencils? Stationery shop. Children, in answer in one word, if you write the wrong spelling, your marks will be cut. आंसर इन वन वर्ड में आपका स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज योर मार्क्स विल बी कट. सो लर्न द स्पेलिंग प्रॉपरली. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर. नेम 5 kinds of shop you usually find in a neighborhood. Answer is milk shop, chemist shop, bakery shop, groceries, green groceries, mobile shop, etc. You can write anything, okay? आप यहाँ पर कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. मिल्क शॉप, केमिस्ट शॉप, बेकरी, ग्रोसरी शॉप, ग्रीन ग्रोसरीज, मोबाइल शॉप, ओके? 2 number. What is a hospital? How does it help us? Hospital is a place where we go when we are unwell. Hospital is a place where we go when we are unwell. It has doctors and nurses can take care of us. Hospitals में कौन होते हैं? Doctors and nurses. 3 number. Why do people go to a park? People enjoy going to the park to do exercise, play or get fresh air. हम पार्क क्यों जाते हैं? एक्सरसाइज करने, खेलने और टू गेट फ्रेश एयर. ओके? Now we revise the give reason. We go to a chemist shop to buy medicines, and medicines equipment like thermometer, bandage, etc. 2 number. Our neighborhood should have garbage bin to keep the neighborhood clean. Okay? So, we revise question answers, answer in one word and give reason in lesson number 4. Now we revise lesson number 5. How do people celebrate Durga Puja? Durga Puja is the first 5-day of festival. Durga Puja is the 5-day festivals. The idol of the goddesses Durga is worshipped for 4 days and immersed in the river on the 5th day. दुर्गा पूजा 5 डेज का फेस्टिवल होता है, ठीक है। उसमें हम दुर्गा माँ की मूर्ति की पूजा करते हैं और 5th डे को उसको हम रिवर में, नदी में विसर्जन कर देते हैं। ओके, आई थिंक दैट यू ऑल कैन अंडरस्टैंड नाउ दिस आंसर, दैट हाउ पीपल सेलिब्रेट दुर्गा पूजा. Durga Puja is a 5-day festival. The idol of the goddesses Durga is worshipped for 4 days and immersed in the river on the 5th day. Okay. Second number, what do sisters do on Raksha Bandhan? On Raksha Bandhan, sisters of all ages tie a rakhi around the wrist of their brother. सब सिस्टर्स, जितनी सिस्टर्स होती है कोई भी एज में, वो अपने ब्रदर को राखी बांधती है. दिस फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स द लव बिटवीन ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. What is the main attraction of Onam festival? What is the main attraction of Onam festival? Answer is boat racing is the main attraction of Onam. Boat racing is the main attraction of Onam. And what is the shape of the boat is? The shape is like a snake. That's why it is known as snake boat race. ठीक है, वो बोट का शेप जो होता है वो स्नेक के जैसा होता है. ठीक है. नाउ गिव रीजन. इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 15th August because on this day India got freedom from British rule. Because on this day India got freedom from British rule. Which year, कौन सा साल था वो डियर? 1947. You all have to read the chapter also, okay? Chapter अच्छे से पढ़ना. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December because Jesus Christ was born on this date. Unscrabble word. The first one is temple, Temple, temple. The second is Gurudwara, Gurudwara, Gurudwara. Third is church, Church, church. Fourth number is Bible, Bible, Bible. And last one is Quran, Koran, Quran. So children, here our revision session is complete. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to listen this video, and for practice you have to write these question answers at least टू टाइम इन योर रफ नोटबुक. खाली प्रैक्टिस के लिए आप रफ नोटबुक में जैसे कि कोई आंसर्स में हार्ड वर्ड्स है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रीडम, ब्रिटिश, यस, एट्रैक्शन, तो ऐसे हार्ड वर्ड्स आप अपने रफ नोट में लिखकर लर्न कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So here we are completing our revision of question answers, give reasons, answer in one word, unscrabble words of lesson number 3, 4 and 5. So children, all of you all the best. पेपर अच्छे से लिखना, नीट एंड क्लीन लिखना. ओके. यस, एंड डोंट स्किप द क्वेश्चन आंसर. स्पेशली क्वेश्चन आंसर और गिव रीजन लिखने का है सबको. Okay, dear. So all of you, once again, all the best. Write neat and clean your paper. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.